Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing how you can claim a $1,000 free Fed account platform that you can use to start trading with without having to make a deposit of your own. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details that I'll be giving you. In this video, it's a step-by-step, a full step-by-step guide on how you can claim this free Fed accounts. If you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, make sure you share, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the updates that will be dropping on Forex no deposit bonus, free fund account, firms, and how you can make money online in 2025. And do well to turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on the details, so you will be updated and you'll be notified as soon as I drop new videos on this channel. To get the link to this channel, all you have to do is just click on the link that will be on the description of this video. You click on it and it will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, all you have to do is just click on join first. After clicking on join, then you can go ahead and get the link to this platform showing on the screen here. After clicking on it, it will bring you right to this interface here. You all know the drill. The first thing we need to do is just open an account with them. I'm going to be creating an account with them so we can get this account. So now to create an account with them, showing on the screen, all you have to do is just select your country, consent code, put in your phone number. After that, put in your password, your email, and click on accept on the consent right here. And after that, you click on register. Then after clicking on register, it will take you to the home page where you'll be getting the details. As you can see showing on the screen is the free 1,000 account that we'll be getting, showing on this screen as you can see, for new customers only. So after you have created an account with them, the next thing you want to do is to click on this challenge now. As you can see shown on the screen, as you want to be clicking on this challenge now, so you'll be clicking on it. And as you can see, this is the details of the account that we want to be getting. It is two-step phase, and this is 1,000 USDT, as you can see, showing free. So all you have to do is just scroll down, accept on the terms and conditions right here, showing on the screen. As you can see, we are not going to be paying a dime for this account. All you have to do next is just click on confirm and proceed to payment. As you can see, all you have to do now is just finish your KYC. So now to go in with the KYC registration, all you have to do is just put in your details here: first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, nationality, your area code, and your phone number. Put in all the details here, and after that you'll be clicking on save. Proceeding to payment. As you can see right here, there are the terms and conditions that they'll be showing you while doing the registration. So you go through it, you check everything. So after that, you'll be taken to this part right here. As you can see, this part that is loading up here is that's where it will be showing your login details that you'll be using in your MetaTrader 5. But alternatively, you can also go to your Gmail because they'll be sending you a message. You go to your Gmail to log in on the message, and there they'll be also be showing you your login details that you'll be using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. That's your login and your password. So after that, you'll be going to your MetaTrader 5 to search for the broker, which is Verbsyn broker. So after that, you click on it, as you can see right here. Then it will bring you where you'll be inputting your details, your login details, the one you got from the app or the one you get from your Gmail. So you put in your login and your password, then you click on login. So after clicking on login, here you have your $1,000 free funded account that you can use to start trading without stress. If you know you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer you. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.